Hello and welcome to the Nomad Hotel in London. I'm going to give you a quick tour of my suite, room number 213, and it's very impressive. We're just walking in now to the living area. It's proper living area. This feels like an actual apartment. Super high ceilings with a fancy chandelier. Great view, which I'm going to show you in a moment. Here is your minibar. Regarding the hotel, it's found in what was a prison. You can go and visit the cells. It opened in 2021. It's got well over 1,000 works of art, a very strong design focus, some beautiful interiors, and it's pretty well known for its F&B offering as well. We've just walked into this suite's dining room. A little bit chintzy, perhaps, the cupboard over there. Another fancy grandmotherly chandelier above. I don't want to show you the view just yet. It's pretty impressive. I'll give it to you from the bedroom, if that doesn't sound too weird. Okay, walking in through here to the toilet, you pass through your wardrobes either side. They've got really nice slippers here. One's gold, one's blue. Put on the left and right foot and it spells Nomad. Going into the bathroom, heavily mosaicked, very bright, jewel marble vanities. There I am as well. Toiletries are by Grown Alchemist. You have a Japanese toilet in there. And here is your shower. Big high ceiling again. Pretty traditional style. Finally, in this very special suite, room number 213, as I said, you have the bedroom itself. Lovely marble fireplace to the side here. Your writing desk and the very inspiring view of London's Royal Opera House. It's really beautiful to be just beside it. Black cab going past, very British. And here is the bed itself. It's really lovely, very charismatic as a space, standalone bathtub, pseudo shielded by that screen, Grown Alchemist toiletries again, and yet another great view of the Royal Opera House. We're right in Covent Garden. It's such a vibrant part of town, loads of restaurants and bars surrounding you, lots of interesting shops as well. So location for me is definitely one of the selling points here, one of the key selling points. And it's a pretty beautiful property, I think. There you have it, your quick tour of the Nomad Suite, room number 213.